Las Vegas Resort and Casino. Watch legendary performers, experience award-winning dining, and enjoy endless...
We interrupt this program for a first alert weather advisory.
Folks, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for parts of Livingston County, Crittenden County in western Kentucky, and extreme southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Illinois. Want to zoom into this. We did have winds gusting over 60 miles per hour with this system, and also there is a weak signature now on the northern end that we may be seeing a hint just south of Rosebud of a spin-up that may be trying to occur. So we're going to stay with this for just a few minutes to make sure it doesn't get any worse, because this is the same storm earlier that caused a lot of problems in southeast Missouri. It does appear as though it's strengthening just a bit. We're seeing some very strong winds, but right now we're not seeing that couplet that concerns us with the possible tornado. But let's zoom in a little closer to the areas in western Kentucky to give you an idea of who's under the gun here of seeing some very strong damaging winds. Again, this is in the community of Rosebud down towards Unionville, and this is extreme southern Polk County right here, the little area that kind of sticks down. If you live in Polk County near the Ohio River in the extreme southern areas, you definitely need to be on your guard. We're going to be seeing winds between 60 and 65 miles per hour. This will likely cause power outages as we head towards Salem, areas along Highway 135 in Livingston County, Highway 60 in Livingston County, and Crittenden counties in western Kentucky. Expect to lose power as this system goes through. You got about 10 minutes to get that charge going on your phone, on your tablet, on your device before we see that strong gusty wind that could knock out your power. And again, we've had some power lines and power poles blown down with this, so that can cause power to be out for a prolonged period of time. You can see right here near Unionville some very intense rainfall. We can put the lightning display on to see how much lightning we have with this. And we're not getting an awful lot of lightning with it. Again, this is mainly just a very strong wind event that is moving into the area. And with this being so close to the radar, we can kind of get some ground truth to how strong some of the winds are. And again, we have had, we did get a report from the National Weather Service of 61 mile per hour wind gusts right where the radar is. And you can see radar is indicating 66 mile per hour winds there in extreme southern Massac County, and that's about to cross the line into Polk County as we speak. So let's get everybody caught up to date. New severe thunderstorm warning. So far, it does not look as though we're seeing a tornado that is trying to kink up on this line, but we can still get significant wind damage along this in extreme southern Polk County, also Livingston County and Crittenden County in western Kentucky, and extreme southeastern Hardin County along the Ohio River in southern Illinois. The storm, the line of storm continues down towards Ballard, Carlisle, Fulton, and Hickman counties, about to move into Graves County, where we saw a severe thunderstorm last night, or I guess I should say early this morning. But so far, this area of the line appears to not be severe. So let's zoom into here to give everybody an idea of what's headed towards their direction. Again, I hit the wrong button, folks. Let's zoom into the Graves County area. Here we go. We're going to see the winds. And again, we're just seeing a very strong wind. You see this line right here. That's what we want to see. Yes, you're going to see winds up to 50 miles per hour, maybe sporadic power outages, but we're not seeing any kinks along the line, so that tells us that we're not concerned about any tornado development along that line. As it comes into the Paducah area, we're not seeing any kinks on the line here as well, but we are seeing intense winds over 65 miles per hour, and that is moving off to the northeast. So again, along Highway 60 in Livingston County and Crittenden counties in Kentucky, you are going to more than likely see some power outages. So if you live in that area, you got a few minutes to charge up your phones, get those devices charged in case you lose power for a prolonged period of time. And the line continues to move out of our area towards southern Indiana. So we're going to stay with this line throughout the late morning and into the afternoon hours. The good news, this line should clear our area by the lunch hour, maybe slightly after the lunch hour. And also good news, the severe weather threat should diminish over the next few hours as the wind energy in the atmosphere races off to the northeast. So as we head towards noon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, these storms should begin to weaken as they move towards the Murray, Kentucky area. But of course, we're going to be watching it for you, keeping you up to date, and if we see anything that looks threatening, of course, we'll break in right here to keep you safe.
Subject of the subpopulation